Alright, hello and welcome to another MATHCOUNTS problem tutorial. So today we will be looking at problem number 26 in the 2010 chapter sprint round. So let's read through our question. What is the area enclosed by the graph of absolute value x plus absolute value y equals 10? This is a short question, by the way. Don't be fooled by that. The short questions are the hardest because they don't give you any information. Alright. So we notice that we have two absolute values here. So what the absolute value means is that it will always take essentially the positive value. So the absolute value of 5 is 5. But the absolute value of negative 5 is also 5. I think you can see the pattern here. So basically, what we want to do is draw out our little coordinate plane, and we want to separate this graph into 4 separate parts. X positive, y positive, x negative, y positive, x positive, y negative, and x negative, y negative. Alright, so for x positive, y positive, we have the line equation x plus y equals 10, y equals negative x plus 10. So our line will look like this. And we can't go past these because x and y have to be positive. By the way, I think I talked about quadrants in the last video. This is sort of an application of those. Alright, so for x negative, y positive, what we do is we have negative x plus y equals 10. And we find that y equals x plus 10. But because this is x negative, y positive, our graph will be here. So it'll look something like this. So for x positive, y negative, now we have x minus y equals 10, y equals x minus 10, which will be, I believe, in this quadrant. And I think you can see where this is going. We draw this final line. So then, you can see that each of these is 10. Like, if we plug in 0 for one value, the other will end up being 10, or negative 10. So, because these are right triangles, with two side lengths of length 10, then these sides must be length 10 root 2. This is a square, in case you haven't noticed. So, because we want the area of a square, the area will be the side length squared, which is 10 times root 2 squared, which is 100 times 2, or 200. So the area of this square is 200. Alright. So let's do a second practice problem. How about, instead of 10, now this equals 15. Alright. I'll give you a few seconds to do this. This might be where you pause the video. Alright, the answer to this question is 450. If you don't know how I got that, you can rewind the video to see how I explained the first problem, or you can keep watching to see how I explain this problem. So again, what we want to do is draw out our 4 lines. They will be in the same pattern as the first problem because we haven't changed anything else except this number. So again, we have our square, except this time these are each 15. So each side length of the square will be 15 root 2. So then the area will be 15 root 2 squared, which is 225 times 2, or 450. So our area of this square, will be 450 square units. Alright. Now I'm going to give you a third practice problem. But this time I'm not going to show you the answer or work it out on the video. What I want you to do is try and work it out by yourself and leave your answer in the comment section so that I can check them later. Alright. So what I want you to find is the perimeter of this graph. So perimeter of absolute value x plus absolute value y equals 20. Alright. Thank you for watching. I hope you learned something more about absolute values with this video. Please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you later. Bye!